the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't stop. Crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
声音我就真的就沉醉了，
因为我对声音很敏感，所以我觉得刚他们两个一念完以后，就像我看到的那种画面一样，所以觉得好美哦，就声音的魅力一下就感受到了。
我们来问问欢欢的感受，你觉得跟远志老师在一起朗诵这首诗，
非常荣幸，非常开心，
非常开心。那你愿不愿意跟声音打交道呢？
可以尝试一下，
可以考虑哈。好，远志也可以关注一下。
他这个回答减分，从眼神犹豫，声音犹豫。
谢谢远志。